Time when young people are struggling with their mental health. This morning, therapists are sounding the alarms, and our Sydney Stallworth is joining us with how one local therapist is trying to make a difference. Good morning, Sydney.
Good morning, Michelle. Heightened stress and a struggle to open up about it. These seem to be the consistent concerns that local therapists are hearing about. It is crucial to check in with your kids on any given day, especially now that we're living in a post-pandemic time. In 2021, the CDC reported more than 40% of students said that they felt persistently sad or hopeless, and those feelings just didn't go away. This morning, school counselors and therapists are still seeing the need firsthand.
They're afraid because of stigma. Don't talk about things outside of this family that you shouldn't talk about. Only crazy people go to counselors, or you have to have an emergency to talk to some of the counselors. A lot of the times is they're ashamed and embarrassed of how they feel because they think that other people aren't feeling that way. So it's that ball that keeps our kids disconnected from the therapists at school. And then, you know, a lot of the therapists at school have a caseload that is as large as this container here because they go from school to school to school. So it's availability of therapists as well.
Now, parents, I know when we do stories like these, a lot of times you want to know what to say to your kids, but Dr. Smith says just listening will get you much further in finding out what's troubling them. I also asked Dr. Smith the biggest concerns that she's hearing from her young patients. Body image issues are at the top of that list. She says patients as young as 8 years old are bringing these concerns to her. We're diving into how parents could be playing a part in this and what signs you should listen out for that could show that your kids could be struggling. That's tomorrow morning on Today in St. Louis. For now, back to you.
Thank you, Sydney.